Morning, afternoon, wherever you're watching, and welcome back once again to the Making Masters channel. So dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. Come along, we have a question, interesting one. Since the height of a cylinder, this is cylinder, and we're told that the height of the cylinder is equals to the radius. So those parts R and H are the same, are equal. If the volume of a cylinder is 0.2 volume of cylinder, now the formula for finding the volume of a cylinder is given by the pi r squared h. That's the volume of a cylinder. That's the formula. So we are told that the volume is equals to 0.216 pi m to the power of 3. That's meter cube or cubic meter. Calculate the radius. Find the radius. Now we are told that the height is equals to the radius. So the height h is equals to our radius r. So if we see h, we put r. So in this formula where we have h, we put r, because we're told that the height and the radius are the same. So the volume of the cylinder, we put this. So this is 0.216 pi m to the power of 3 equals to pi r squared times the height, which is which is r. So this is okay, pi and pi we cancel out. Okay, so we have 0.216. So this is r times r squared times r. That's from your indices. That's r to the power of 3. So this becomes r to the power of 3 is equals to 0.216. Now we are not interested in r to the power of 3. We are interested in radius. So take the cube root of both sides. Cube root of both sides. So r is equals to the cube root of 0.216. Now this 0.216, for us to take the cube root, let's take it to a fraction form. This is 0. Move the decimal point away. 1, 2, 3. So that becomes 216 over 1, 2, 3 over 1000, which is equals to the cube root of 216. What will I multiply 3 times? That will give me 216. That's 6 over 10. What will I multiply 3 times? That will give me 1000. This 1000 rather, that's 10. So our radius is equals to 6 over 10 is the same thing as 0.6. So this is 0.6 meter, which is the same thing as the height. So the radius of the cylinder is 0.6. I hope you followed through to this class and you learned something. If you enjoyed the class, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Making Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If there's any aspect of mathematics you're struggling with, put in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you. If you're here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. To meet again in the next Making Masters, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.